How to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, to which wallet are you sending? You need to copy the wallet address of the Bitcoin wallet. So if you are trying to send on Coinbase, you need to have the Bitcoin wallet address of the Coinbase of the account you're trying to send the Bitcoin to. If it's for another Binance user, you need to have their Bitcoin address. So only when you have the address or the QR code, you will be able to send it. So now you can open up Binance, then simply come to the portfolio tab. Here you can see the withdraw option, and if you happen to have some kind of Bitcoin, now I don't have Bitcoin, so I'll just select this USD option. Now it is the same process, you just have to select a certain crypto. Now to which crypto you're trying to send, you need to paste their wallet address here. So you need to ask for the recipient to give their wallet address. Only once you have the wallet address and the network and withdrawal amount, you can tap on the withdraw option, and the crypto from one wallet to be another wallet will be transferred. This way you can send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.